My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Here is the checkout breakdown. These are all GS size biohacks. Tomorrow we got some dunks dropping. Oh my god, yes! They got one on Kith. We got a few things that came in the mail today. First up, we have Jordan 1 mids. I don't actually remember copying these, but they showed up in the mail. And we have two more Yeezy Slide Bones. And the last thing that came in the mail today, Yeezy 350 is refill. I do have to say I am pleasantly surprised as far as the prices on this shoe. I know these were limited, but honestly I expected these to not be profitable until at least a few months from now. Maybe that has something to do with the fact that these look beautiful in person. We got 6 more biohacks that came in the mail today. Plus, we made a bunch of sales on Flight Club. 7 shoes sold today, so I'm really happy about those sales. Some of these shoes I kind of just want to get rid of just because the prices I feel aren't going up as fast as they should. For example, this Duck Camo and the Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago. I feel like the prices are going up, but it's not going up as fast as I want it to. So yeah, I just got rid of those. Low profit margins, but it is what it is. Still happy about the sales. Finally, we have some Shoe Palace deliveries. We got some biohacks in men's and GS sizes. And we also have Jordan 1 Tokyos in the GS sizes. These are super duper limited. I am going to complain a little bit about is the fact that they came in these regular boxes. You see, the men's pairs came in these nice aesthetic silver boxes. And I don't know why they didn't do the same thing for the GS sizes, considering that it's basically the same thing, just smaller. And we also have one more package that came in the mail today, but that one is going to be a little bit more interesting. I'll open it up on the couch so that we get a better look at it. So here we have the Packer New Balance shoes. One thing that I noticed right away is that the box is just absolutely packed. Like the lid is gonna come off any second. And I took a little bit of a peek and it looks like it's not just shoes. So let's have a look what's inside. Interesting. I believe these are called shoe trees, Packer, branded. Okay, so let's have a look at the shoes. Oh shoot, this is nice, bro. No wonder New Balance is selling for a lot of money. It is one of those shoes where I open it up and like, it just hits you. Beautiful sneaker. We have a bunch of shoes that came in. Behind me, we have 9 biohacks, all GS sizes, and we have Yeezy 700s. This is the last one that is coming in. Then we have one very important package in this box. Let's open it up. Here we have the Union Jordan 4s in a size 11. This is gorgeous. To be honest, I think this is really interesting. If I ever got my size and for some reason decided to put $1,000 on my feet, I think I would leave it like this. Unlike how some people do it, they cut the stitching to make it look like a normal Jordan 4. Tomorrow we do have a lot of important releases, one of them being Supreme. Supreme I absolutely hate, and usually I do not care about Supreme at all, but tomorrow I actually do care because there are some pieces there that I do want as a personal, such as these 2 t-shirts and then the beanie. And yeah, these are really cool pieces, and if I decide not to keep them as a personal, if I do take a W, then I would imagine resale prices wouldn't be too bad either. However, I already know I'm gonna take an L on Supreme, so might as well put that L screen right now. Boom, I got an L. All right, but real talk, I did try to prepare a little bit more for this drop. more than the previous drops. I am running 3 bots. I'm going to be running Mango, Mech, and Velox. So we'll see what ends up happening tomorrow. Oh, here we go. Cars. No, it's slow. Come on. Oh no, this is so slow. So slow. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Fade. Fade, fade, fade. Fade. Oh my god, it's another car. Come on, bro. Like, you're fucking with me, right? Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good. Okay, verify. Oh, dude. No way. Select. Okay, with the bus. No way. These captures are unbearable. The fire hydrant. Bruh. This is trash. This is trash. That's not even a fire hydrant. Nah, dude. L on Shopify. Start. Oh, dude, my whole computer just froze. Not good, dude. My whole computer just getting destroyed. Too high traffic. Same thing again, dude. Every fucking week. Come on, yo, this. Oh, I got one. Yes, dude. No way. I hit on Supreme, bro. It's a miracle. I got another one. Oh, yes. The logo tee. Oh, I'm fucking... Thank you, Supreme gods. You let me hit the one time I actually wanted the items. Yes, bro.
BmBeatz on the track.
Oh, nice. Oh my god. We're cooking. Okay. I got so fucking many. Almost all my shit is those checkouts. How is this possible? What is happening? Yo, Mech got it figured out. Today we have Dunks dropping, and then a little bit later on we expect Supreme to restock the Air Force Ones. Both of these sneakers are incredibly profitable, so we're obviously going to try to get as many as we can. However, I'm not expecting too much, but obviously we will still try our best to try and get these shoes. Oh, I got one. Gotta check out, baby. Yeah, that's butter. It dropped.
Oh my god.
Dude, no, my whole computer's crashing, bro.
Oh my god. Dude, just wait for yourself. I got retrying I got one, let's go. I got two, let's go.
The drops today went pretty good. I got a dunk from Kith, and then I got 2 Kobe's from Shoe Palace. These Kobe's, I am not going to be really keeping the profits for myself. So basically, what I want to do with the Kobe's is either donate the profits or sell it to somebody for retail plus shipping to someone who actually wants to wear the shoes. I got no Supreme Air Force Ones. Unfortunately, the stock was like super duper low. I did make a mistake. I set a delay, and apparently for this particular restock, Supreme did not care about delays, so people with 0 delay basically hit. So I got 5 more GS biohacks in, and we also have Yeezy Quantums. Man, I hate how big these boxes are, man. I was able to cop a New Balance today. Cyber did absolutely nothing for me because I think they did something strange with their sizes, but Nike ShoeBot absolutely smoked that release, and that was supposed to be my backup bot, but I ended up copping one, I believe in a size 9. Anyways, we did get 3 packages in from Supreme. I think these are all beanies. Let's see what's inside. Well, there you have it. I am going to be opening this one because I did intend to keep one as a personal. I didn't even know that there's a BOGO on the other side. Was that in the product pictures? I don't believe so. I think in the product picture it was just like this. But yeah, that is super sick. But I do have to admit, this side, I thought it would look better in person, but it's all good. It's super fire either way. So I was wrong, they are not all beanies. We got a t-shirt in, this one is a size medium. And the last one is a beanie, but this time I got a sticker pack. Why didn't I get these with the other orders? Anyways, I've decided what I wanted to do with the Kobe's. Earlier today, I made a poll on Twitter asking, should I donate the profits or should I give it to a real fan? And I've come to realize that the poll results are super biased because I would assume people are thinking I got hundreds of these shoes when in reality I only got 2, and they want me to sell it to them for retail. So what I'm going to do is, I know somebody who is a huge Kobe fan. I'm gonna try to sell it to him for retail, and then the other one I'm going to sell it on my website for my fans for resale price. Most likely, if you're paying resale price for shoes, you're going to be wearing them, unless you're a collector or maybe you are a hold investor kind of reseller, and then I'm gonna donate the profits from that. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing with the 2 Kobe's that I copped from Shoe Palace. In a couple of days, we have some more dunks, and then we have another Supreme release. Not sure what to expect for the next week as of yet, but we'll see what we end up doing on the next episode.